The best feeling is when you forget you have a worry. Out on the road, the noise fades. Deadlines disappear. Problems lose their weight. There's only the rhythm of the engine, the flow of the road, and the calm that comes from being fully present. Riding doesn't solve everything, but it reminds you what really matters. In 2026, leave your worries behind. Ride through mountains, jungles, and quiet roads deep in Laos. Join us on Laos Motorcycle Tours 2026. Clear your mind. Ride free.